In this video, we are going to learn two methods for creating a seamless pattern in Affinity version 3. Before we explore the methods, you first need to prepare the images you will use to make the pattern. If your images are combined into a single layer or an image file, you will need to trace them first. Check the tutorial link in the description to learn how to trace your images and convert them into vector graphics. After that, you need to properly group specific shapes so that each group of layers can be exported as a single vector or PNG file. Check the tutorial link in the description to learn how to export all groups of layers as separate individual image files at once. Once your image files are ready, let's prepare the tiles for the seamless pattern. Go to File, New, then set the new document to the same height and width. In this example, it's 1000 pixels by 1000 pixels. Then click Create Document. Now let's create the horizontal tiles. Drag an image file onto the canvas and align it to the vertical center if necessary. Then drag the image to the left side until part of it appears as a tile on the canvas. You can align it precisely to the vertical center if you want, but it doesn't have to be perfectly centered. Next, duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl-J on Windows or Command-J on Mac. Then press Enter or Return right away to open the Move Duplicate dialog box. Since our document size is 1000 pixels by 1000 pixels, enter 1000 in the horizontal value and click OK. That's for the horizontal tiles. If you want to see the complete image view, activate Clip to Canvas by pressing the # key on your keyboard. Now let's create the vertical tiles. Drag another image file onto the canvas, then drag it to the top until part of the image appears as a tile. Align it to the horizontal center if necessary. Again, it doesn't have to be perfectly centered, but you can align it precisely if you prefer. Duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl-J or Command-J, then press Enter or Return right away. In the dialog box that opens, enter 1000 in the vertical value and click OK. Next, we are going to export the document as a PNG file. Click the Export PNG drop-down and select Whole Document. Make sure PNG is selected with a transparent background. Click Export, choose the destination and file name, and then click Save. Now let's explore the first method. Create a new document at any size. Activate any shape tool. In this example, I'm using the rectangle tool, and draw a shape on the canvas. Fill the shape with the seamless pattern by activating the Fill tool, setting the type to Bitmap, and selecting the image file you just exported. You can then resize and rotate the pattern as needed. Let's create another seamless pattern by adding more images into the previous document instead of using image tiles only. Export the whole document as a new PNG file. Create another new document at any size, draw a shape, fill it with a bitmap. Select the previously exported file and resize or rotate the pattern. As you can see, it is still a seamless pattern. That's the first method. For the second method, delete the layer first. Go back to your pattern document, select all image layers, and create a composite by pressing Ctrl-Shift-E on Windows or Command-Shift-E on Mac. With the composite layer still selected, go to Pixel, New Pattern Layer from Selection. Copy the pattern layer by pressing Ctrl-C or Command-C, then create a new document at any size and paste it using Ctrl-V or Command-V. Using the Move tool, you can move, resize, and rotate the pattern freely. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.